Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. This is little bit famous car Audi TT 2013. This is the third video for this car. Basically, 2 weeks ago, customer want to sell this car. Scammers came and add engine oil to the coolant expansion tank and surround the engine area and try to scam the car. And they said head gasket failure. But however, we done the cleaning stuff. If you still didn't see that video, if you want, you can see this video. It's a engine bay cleaning and the coolant tank cleaning job. Right, after that 2 weeks, today he turned up and he couldn't open the fuel flap. Something not right with the actuator. However, finally we fly out the flap. Now it's open. Then after that we remove this one. It's sit on here. We remove this one. Now we need to remove this panel cover, whatever. There is a two screws, look like to me E30. Yes, it's 30. Right, inside the clips there, just need to take out one by one. Right, okay, just fly out. Yeah, it's holding with the clips. Right, you can see it's holding with 1 2 3 4. Just lift up, pull, it will come out. After that, this one just fly out. It's holding with the like these clips. You can see 1 2 3, another one somewhere inside. Right, 4 1. Okay, and disconnect this clip to the light. Right, okay, this one, yeah, it's out. Right, now I can see the actuator or mechanism from here. Just remove, and I think we need to remove this 210 mil. Then after that we can lift up the complete unit. I'll disconnect this wire from here. Right, okay, right, that one out. Then we can lift up, take out, tip upside down. There is a 2 Phillips screw, and we need to remove this connector. You can see here this connector. Just press together and take out. Done. Now need to remove 2 Phillips screw, very long. Actually we don't want to remove, just loose it little bit, it will come out. See, yeah, okay, this is the first time. Actually I'm not sure what I'm doing here. That's why the problem. Disconnect this from the here. Then need to take it backward, this one, you know, the red color one. Just backward, and you can disconnect this cable. You can see it's come out. Yeah, leave it like that, leave it as it is. Right, now we'll compare one and old one. This is from the VW. Yeah, 2 pin. Yeah, look exactly the correct. What we need to do, we need to press down this one, no, press up. You need to disconnect this clip from here like this and push down. Yes, when you lift up these two connectors, you can push down here and take out from here and install here. Okay, weather not good, start to rain. I'll take into the garage and I'll come back to you. Metal clip. Now I need to do the cable to the here. It need to come through the inside here, the red one, like this. Right, now after that I can connect the cable. This cap, there is a groove, it's need to go through the groove. Right, yeah, yeah, it's okay. Right, now need to this one, just slide into the slot, then after that need to tight. You don't want to fully remove. Right, it's tight. After that we need to little bit twist it to the other side and connect this. Connector is going one way. Yeah, it's clipped. Then slot into the this thingy, and this one come and sit on here, and two screw. Right, if you want to pull, yeah, we'll see what's going on now. Close. I will press the button, have a look the actuator, what happened. Yeah, it's open. Again close. It's working. I'm going to give little bit lubricant, then after that it should be fine. Thanks for watching. You know how to change fuel flap actuator Audi TT 2013. See you in the next video.